Yeah, thank you very much. My name is Dr. Imeke Marita, Chief Executive Officer, Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. This evening, I've received around four people, all of them men, who have some injuries, multiple injuries from blunt to cut wounds. Out of those four, around two have visible cut wounds, and they have been attended to. Stitching to the wound has been done, antibiotics given, and other attendant treatments necessary have been done. They are stable, and the details have not yet really gone into it, because of course, we need to ensure privacy and confidentiality for the injured, and we'll be able to know how they are faring on as we go along. But for now, they're stable. Yes, it's not long ago when we received them. So as of this moment, they're still being attended to. We'll determine in a short while whether they can go home or they need to spend a night or two in the hospital, because we must make sure we check all the body organs to be sure that we are not missing anything else. Yeah, when somebody's injured, you don't just focus on the cut wounds. You also must check on the internal organs and see if they're okay. But so far, they are stable. They are able to walk, they're able to talk, they're able to explain and express themselves. That's a good indication that they are stable. Yes.